and I guarantee you this foundation hack make your life super easy in the summers, and you will love to make it again and again as I make it. Hey everyone, it's Miss Min here. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to share a customized base which I made for myself and my sister, and I use every day and in summer, and this really works good. You can check the results. So let's start the video. I need this an empty jar. First of all, don't forget to prep your skin. I am using this moisturizer and face oil. These two options I am going to use this face oil. This is coconut face oil and it's super. I am going to use 2 drops. And now the second thing, vitamin C gel or primer. I will go with the primer, and I am going to take 2 pumps of this primer. I am making this base for one face to teach you this foundation hack. Next, because it's summer and I am using this Rivage UK Sunblock, you can use any. Next, for the super glowing, you can use a highlighter and illuminator. I will use this illuminator because it's liquid and it's a glowy pinkish. Next, I am going to use this BB cream foundation. This is the best with the result, and I'm not going to use concealer because I am using this full coverage base. Next, for the super liquidy foundation with SPF 30, I am going to use Forever base. Just 1 pump and it's enough. Next, the most important thing is the pancake in summer. I am using Huda Beauty 21. I am scratching with an spoolie. It's an easiest way to use it. Now I am going to mix it with the base. Next, I am using Miss Rose Pink Powder Foundation. And I am going to use it a little just for one face. Next, I am using the makeup fixer, and I am going to add 3 to 4 drops and mix it with the Morphe E19 brush. You can use any small brush and mix it really well. This foundation is my own customized base, and I am using from last 3 to 4 years, and now I was thinking I should share this customized foundation with you. Just apply this foundation all over your face and blend with the fingers and with a damn beauty blender. Just made one time this base and you will love it to make again and again. Look at the result. It's super natural and amazing, and it's totally waterproof, sweat proof, no pores and no dark spots. Now I am applying a dot on my face to give you a live demo. I'm going to blend it with my fingers. This customized foundation will make your life so easy. This will cover your dark circles, open pores, no sweating, no oily skin, no dark spots, and no patchy and cakey skin. I hope and I guarantee you will love this. Just make once and let me know on my Instagram, which is Meenishaq555, and you can message me here. Now in the last, I am going to fix it with the setting powder. You can use any you have. So friends, as you can see the result. Here I am going to share a video clip before and it's after. You can judge, and I guarantee you make and enjoy these. Now it's time to check the foundation. Is it waterproof or not? I am going to take water in the bottle, and I am going to pour some water on my face and it's so difficult. So finally done. Let's check it with the tissue and you can see the result. I am going to share here, and it's only a water, not a base. After makeup, this looks amazing. You can check. Hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and watch my more videos. Thank you so much.